Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today in my mailbox, I got this strange black envelope. I did not know what this was, man. It looked like a check. It said returns processing. I thought it was a check. I thought it was my invitation to YouTube Black 2020. But come to find out, this black envelope, what was inside this black envelope was something I forgot I signed up for. Now, this was Robinhood Cash Management Debit Card. Now, they're starting to roll these out. I watched a couple videos. Some people got theirs, I think, as long as 3 months ago, but I've seen a couple from the past month, 3 weeks ago. But everybody is starting to get the Robinhood Debit Cash Management Card. Now, on this video, I just want to go over the benefits and a straight to the point way, straight to the point understanding for a wide variety of audiences. As you can see right now, it's time to do more with your money. Now, step 1 is to activate your card in the app. Step 2 is to spend, withdraw, and invest. Step 3 is to earn interest on the rest. Now, you can see Robinhood know how to rhyme. So I'm already messing with Robinhood. You can see this is my card right here. You will get an option. You can choose between, I believe it's a white card, a black card, and an American flag. I went with the green Robinhood theme color. It has the Robinhood logo right here. You can see it's a MasterCard, debit card, transparent card. You can see my finger on the other side. It's a nice card. It has a chip on it. All the information is secure on the other side. You can see they sent mine in this little mini envelope type of thing. My address is on the other side, so I won't show that. But yeah, I saw how some other cards came in black boxes, but my card right here, I just want to go over all the interest rates. Now, the yearly interest rate on this card is 1.3%. So to give you a real life example of how this card works, if you put $1,000 in your account, this is like a checking and savings account with Robinhood. If you hold $1,000 in your account that you don't spend, you will earn $13 interest every month, and the interest is paid out monthly. So even though the yearly interest rate is 1.3% for this card, you are receiving your interest payments monthly like a dividend, which will be paid out at the end of the month every month. So for every $1,000, you will receive $13. Every $1,000 unspent, and is unique because the money that you have in here, you can use this debit card. You can spend, withdraw, invest. You can invest into Robinhood and buy stocks. And if you want to get started on Robinhood, I'll have a link in the description which you can sign up, get a free stock. But you can, whatever you don't spend, whatever you save because it's a checkings account, in the way you have access to the money, you have easy access using this Robinhood debit card. You have easy access to any money you put into Robinhood brokerage account. You have easy access to it using this debit card, but it's an incentive of not spending it because you'll earn interest. So for every $1,000 which you don't spend, you'll get $13 per month. And the thing about this card also, which I like, which I saw in the app, is that it comes with a routing and account number. So, it's a real checking and savings account. It's FDIC secured. It's FDIC secured now, this card. And, it comes with its own routing and account number. So what I'm going to do with my goal is to transfer, because I have multiple streams of income. I can dedicate my YouTube income to sit here, earn interest, as it grows, and I still have access to spend it if I need it. I still have access to withdraw, but the majority of it, I want to earn interest, and that's my goal. If anybody thinking about how would you use this, I would just recommend it for, like, if you have any earned income sources, like if you work, for any job, like you can reroute your paychecks here, or if you have multiple streams of passive incomes, you can dedicate some of the payouts, to come directly to this Robinhood Cash Management Card account. Now, it's a cool card. I really like it. I like how they kind of minimalize the packaging. I saw how other packaging was, and a lot of people had like this little black box that opened and then kind of like popped out. It was sweet. But yeah, this is what Robinhood sent me. New updated, what's today? It's March 6, 2020 right now. So yeah, this is the MasterCard. I like it. I really like this card. Like I said, it's a bunch of different designs you can go with. I went with the Robinhood design. And yeah, you can see they took some time in this. So if you're interested in Robinhood, interested in participating, go ahead. I have a link in the description which you can sign up and you can get started. You can get a cash management card as well. They're rolling these out right now. As you can see, I got mine. So if you sign up and you get this black envelope and you're not sure what it is, it's Robinhood, man. I couldn't even feel the card inside, so I didn't know what it was. So it's your boy YON World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. Thank you for watching this video on my channel.